Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Nova Hurricane Menopause Hormonal Balance Review. So, you might be wondering, what is Nova Hurricane? Nova Hurricane is a dietary supplement formulated to help support women during perimenopause or menopause. Now, according to the official website here, it is designed to help manage symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, mood changes, sleep disturbances, fatigue, and hormonal imbalance. Now, the manufacturer states that the supplement uses a plant-based formula rather than hormone replacement therapy. Now, according to the manufacturer here, the formula is based on Estrogen 100, a patented blend of three herbal extracts like Sinan Kum, Wilfordi, and Flomis umbrosa, and Angelica gigas. Now, the company states that these ingredients work together to support hormonal balance, reduce menopause or menopausal symptoms, promote better sleep, improve mood, and support bone and cardiovascular health. Now, these are claims in their website. Now, how to exactly use Nova Hair again? Now, to use it, the manufacturer recommends taking the supplement daily as directed on the product label, preferably as part of your consistent routine. The official website also recommends continued use for several weeks, as benefits may become more noticeable with regular use. Now, the product is sold through the official website with bundle options and promotional pricing that may vary over time here. So purchases are backed by the company's money back guarantee, subject to its return policy. So currently it is priced at like $39.90 as of this moment for one bottle. So again, prices may change, so you may need to visit their website. So yeah, so that's essentially what or how the Nova Hair again works. But it basically provides like blends of plant extracts intended to support hormonal balance and reduce common menopause symptoms. So, since this is a health-related supplement or product, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before use is highly recommended, especially if you are experiencing intense symptoms, or if you are already taking certain medications to manage your symptoms. It's best to consult a doctor first, and this actually applies for anything that you're buying or you're taking for the first time. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.